Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about another project. But before that, let me remind you that this video is for entertainment purposes only and not a financial advice. Meme coin market has a pattern. Rapid launches, aggressive marketing, short-term spikes, and in many cases, rapid declines. At the center of that cycle is one recurring issue: token supply and distribution. So what happens when a project tries to redesign that structure from the beginning? Today, we're taking a closer look at Octus, a project built around a very specific idea. Remove the majority of supply before the market even begins. Core concept: the 90% burn. At the heart of Octus is a simple defining mechanism: a planned 90% token burn at the end of its pre-sale phase. This means that once the pre-sale concludes, the vast majority of remaining tokens are permanently taken out of circulation before public trading begins. From a structural standpoint, that creates three immediate effects: a sharply reduced circulating supply at launch, a shift in how scarcity is introduced into the market, less dependence on post-launch token management strategies. It's important to understand what this does and what it doesn't do. It does reduce supply, it does not guarantee demand, and it ultimately price depends on both. Presale mechanics. Timing matters. The second key component is the presale design. Octus is currently in its presale phase where tokens are offered at structured pricing. The price increases incrementally over time. Participants can engage before the burn event occurs. This creates a specific timing dynamic. Entry happens before supply reduction. The burn happens before marketing lists. In other words, early participants are entering under one supply condition, while the marketing opens under another. That transition is where much of the project's strategic positioning comes from. Community and positioning. Beyond tokenomics, Octus emphasizes a community-first approach. Rather than leading with price targets, the project frames itself around participation, suggesting that value is a byproduct of activity, not promises. It has been building its community base over time with a focus on social platforms and user-driven engagements. While community size alone isn't a guarantee of sustainability, active participation is often a key factor in whether meme-based projects persist or fade. While community size alone isn't a guarantee of sustainability, active participation is often a key factor in whether meme-based project persists or fade. Ecosystem and roadmap. The roadmap includes additional layers such as interactive features and mini-games, a character-driven universe, longer-term digital ecosystem expansion. These elements aim to extend engagement beyond simple trading. However, as with any roadmap, the key variable is execution, not intention. Balanced evaluation. So how should this be evaluated? On the structural side, the 90% burn is unusually aggressive. The pre-sale timing is clearly defined. Supply mechanics are transparent upfront. Now, on the risk side, it remains in a highly speculative category. Adoption is uncertain. Long-term value depends on sustained interest and delivery. In simple terms, strong structure, uncertain outcome. So Octus presents an interesting case study in how meme coins might evolve, particularly in how they handle supply before launch. Whether that translate in long-term success is something only time and the market can decide. As always guys, let me remind you that this video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any decisions. And if you want to see more like this video, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and goodbye.